Hey guys, what's up? Sorry I didn't know if it was recording or not. But what's up? I'm going to be doing a showcase of my dirt bike. So let's get into it. Okay, so first, this is a Kawasaki 65. It's a KX. Well, it's a Kawasaki KX 65 with monster decals. So it's pretty nice. But I know 65 is tiny. But if you watch my dirt bike videos, it's fast. Okay, well, let's just start with the regular things. It's a 65cc engine. I run 32 to 1 gas to oil mixture. Hold up. And then oh, sorry, my sister texted me. But I didn't do this, but the guy that had it, he raced it, and he put a new piston in it and rebuilt everything. Put like racing performance stuff in it. It has the FMF exhaust, power cord too. It has disc brakes, and then that's about all. But this is my GoPro mount. My mount is right on the handlebars, so whenever I'm riding, it sits like this. And I got these at Cycle Gear. They're like squishy memory foam stuff. So whenever you put your hand on it, you don't get blisters on your thumb, because I always got blisters on my thumb. It's so annoying. But guys, don't pay attention to this. This is just a soda can, and I made it look like it has NOS, but I think I want to take it off. It's just taking up a lot of room. But the guy that had it before me, he raced it. So, like, it had a lot of stuff done to it. But then it has Pro Taper. It has Pro Taper bars. It has Pro Taper. Wait. Hold up. I think it has Pro Taper handle grips. Wait. Yeah, it has Pro Taper handle grips. And then it has like an anti-brake brake lever. And then trying to think of what else. Oh, I got a new back rim because I just wrote it. Let me find it. Okay, it might be on the other side, but there's a gigantic crack in the rim. So I bought a new rim. I think it was from Pro Wheels. Yeah, that sounds right. And like I said, it has all the monster decals. Can't think of what else it has. That's all I could think of. And by the way, I got this stand for Christmas, and it works so nicely. Make sure I'll show you. Well, I need to set it up really quick, because my dirt bike isn't tall enough, so it doesn't really work with this thing perfectly. But if I just put 2 bricks under the tires, it works. Okay, so Hold on, let me get six. Can you guys see it from there? No. Well, so if you guys can't see this, but you take this and you pull it up and it drops your bike down. This is really hurt. See, it drops my bike down, and now I could pull this out, and then to push it back up, you put your foot on this, and you just kick it up. And now look at the wheels. They're off the ground, so it's easy to work on. Like I could spin the chain. Oh, that's a pretty nice thing. It was like $35, so it's not too bad. And then that's all for right now. I'm going to leave this video right here. Please like, comment, subscribe, or share with your friends. And see you in the next video. Bye.